Yo, what's up, guys? JT Team FAS Motorsports. So we did our 500 subscribers on YouTube, and with that, we decided to give away $500 in gift certificates. So we're doing a 300, a 150, and then a $50 gift certificate. So that ended on Monday night. So just kind of let everyone get that over with and everything in process. We do have a third-party company do all the drawings for us. So it's chosen. We don't really know who it is yet, but we're going to find out here in a few minutes. We'll go ahead and rotate this around in a minute or two and get the drawing picked out here. So we were supposed to do it around 5 o'clock, but we're kind of renovating some stuff here in the store, so it's an absolute mess in here. But I figured before it got too late, let me hop on and we'll go ahead and get this done. Yeah, what's up, Keith? What's up, Ricky? What's up, Frankie? Give it a few minutes here, let a few people hop on. But I'll just kind of show you guys how this is done through third party. So right here, some of the giveaways that we've done in the past, just in our account. We had 102 people enter in the drawing. There was a total of 660 entries, and the reason why that number is higher than the total number of contestants is because if you share it to your profile, if you like our Instagram page, stuff like that, it will give you extra entries into the contest, into the giveaway. So that's why you'll see 102 contestants and 660 entries, but that is how it works. So I guess here we'll give it another minute or two, and then we'll go and award the winners here and see who they are, because like I said, I don't know who they are either. This is picked by we use a company called King Sumo for all of our giveaways, and they handle everything. It's on the back end. That's pretty much good, and we pretty much do it that way. It's just the safest bet for us, fair to everybody that enters, no matter who they are. So it's just kind of a good way to do things. So let's see here. Yeah, Keith, I've been posting it for like 2 weeks. We got 500 subscribers, so we've been doing some giveaways, and this giveaway is for $500 in gift certificates. It's a $300 gift certificate, a $150, and then another $50 gift certificate for our website. So that is what you kind of missed, but we're actually almost to 600 subscribers now, so we're going to be doing another one probably, I would say either 750 or 1,000. We'll do another giveaway with some more gift certificates, and we have a bunch of shirts, hats, and stuff like that we're going to start giving away. We actually had some stuff donated from Super ATV. We have stuff from, let me see what else we have. Trinity. We have a bunch of stuff around here. A bunch of stuff from Polaris. So we'll be giving that stuff away here over the next month or two, hopefully. So, yeah, so here's how it works. Like I said, just kind of have you guys on a stand here, but that's our giveaway. Those are contestants, and you can see right here, when I go ahead and click this, it will come up and tell us who the winners are. So I guess without further ado, let's just go ahead and give these gift certificates away. All right, so who do we have here? Tell us their names. So we have email YetiMan08. That is going to be the $300 gift certificate. HCRESQ810 at Yahoo. That's going to be the $150. And you have Robert HK20 at gmail.com. That is going to be the $50 gift certificate. So congratulations to all you guys. You can see they definitely helps with the extra entries when you share the videos and when you join us on social media, stuff like that. So these guys entered 7th, the 9th, the 10th. So that is the people who won, and what we're gonna do is we'll go ahead and contact all of them now. But again, congratulations to those three, and hopefully we'll be doing another one around 750, I believe, some swag and some gear giveaways, and then we will be doing, I believe, definitely something on the 1,000. That's for sure. We're probably going to give away $1,000 to the web store and get with a bunch of companies and have them contribute some prizes. because they kind of always ask if we need stuff to give away, and we kind of always just say we're really pretty much good. We don't really have that big of a following yet to pull all the favors and stuff now. So again, congratulations to everybody, and thank you for joining. And for sure, we really appreciate your business. We appreciate all you guys giving us support and checking us out on YouTube and all the stuff we do. Always tagging us in posts on Facebook. That goes such a long way, especially that we're a small company. I got a few sales guys online that work with us, and other than that, it's just me and my girl and some family members here that keep the whole business running. So we do absolutely appreciate it, all you guys, and thank you very much. And again, congratulations to all the winners, and we'll check you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.